today we're doing something a little different. This is the first episode of Where to Eat in Baltimore, and this is the food truck edition. Before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know the next time I post a video. But the first truck that we went to is the Smoking Swine. We got there a little early, so we stopped at Miss Twist for dessert. Our first stop is Miss Twist, and we got a pineapple, coconut, and cherry sundae. Some soft serve ice cream. Let's give it a taste. It's good. Is it good? Yes, it's delicious. We're having dessert first before we have our dinner. It's really good. They have all different toppings, all different flavors. It's perfect on a hot day. But anyway, let's get into the food. The Smoking Swine is a very popular food truck. It's been featured on the Food Network, so I'm excited to try this food with you. Ooh, this looks good. I got the 6-bone ribs and the Slappier Mama, or not, yeah, I think it's Slappier Mama mac and cheese, and meaty beans. Let's give this a try. So let's try the ribs first because it is the main course. It looks beautiful. It's so good. It's so tender. It's really smoky. It has nice acidity with the sauce. It's a nice tangy barbecue sauce. Oh, this is so good. Let me stop and taste the sides. So this is the mac and cheese. It looks very creamy. It's bright colored. You get like a sour cream taste. It's creamy. It's not super cheesy. It's not like a pronounced cheese flavor, but it's a cheese flavor kind of mixed with a little tang, kind of balance it. It's not bad. It's not bad. It doesn't touch the ribs, but it's not bad. Here are the meaty beans. You can see the chunks of meat in there. Let's give it a try. Some good beans. Beans are nice and cooked, and the meat flavor is all the way through, and then the pieces of meat is very soft and tender, so it's not like a lot to chew. It just melts in your mouth. This is great. Great barbecue. Alright, y'all. We can't fill up on this because we have another stop that we're going to right after this. So, wait, one more bite. It's definitely good. This food truck is famous for, I think their best known item is their short ribs, but they didn't have that today. So I have to come back for the short ribs. I have barbecue sauce on my face. It's okay, I'm saving it for later. But we're going to the next food truck, so stay tuned. Next up was the Gypsy Queen Cafe food truck. Okay, so we got the famous Gypsy crab cone. Ooh, let me give you a look of the cone. It's a crab cake topped with their Old Bay fries and chipotle aioli. It looks good. Jumbo lump crab cake. This was $20. So it was the most expensive thing on their menu, but they have other options. They have vegetarian options as well. Let's try the crab cake. is a good crab cake. It's flaky. It's not a lot of filling. The sauce adds a little twist to it, but I'll add it with the fries. Adding the fry, the full bite is delicious. This is really good. Adding the fries aren't crunchy because it's like soaked. It has the juices in it. Alright guys, this is delicious, but we still have another food truck to go, so stay tuned. We'll be right back. Okay guys, we're sitting in the car eating this delicious cone, going in, and then we realize it's actually in a cone, a waffle cone. So let's give the waffle cone a try. I can do without the sweet waffle cone. I can do without it. I can just eat the filling because the filling is delicious. Don't sleep on Baltimore, y'all. Now for real this time, we're on our way to the next stop. Alright guys, so the next stop was in Elkridge to Greek on the Street. They have 5 food trucks in Baltimore. And look at what we got. We got the Greek bowl, boneless leg of lamb, and the pita. We got the feta cheese, the tomatoes, the parsley, with the white rice underneath. Get a good look. I love these bowls. Let's try the rice. Just like I remember it. So delicious. So flavorful. It's full. It's nice and full. Tomatoes, feta. Let me try some with the lamb. Lamb is nice and tender. This takes me to my happy place. They have wraps. Uh-oh. And then you have the fresh pita. Okay. Oh, is my lens dirty? I think so. This is delicious. The only thing, you really have to mix up all of the ingredients in this bowl really good, because if you get too much feta, it might be a little salty. But it's a delicious bowl. And I said that was our last stop, but it wasn't. Because there was all these other food trucks, I saw TJs Waffles. So here is TJs Waffle. I got one of the specials today, which was peaches. You know I'm peach crazy right now. Get in there. Get into the peach. Smells fresh. Okay, so I cut us a piece of waffle with a nice slice of peach. Let's give it a try. The peach is nice and fresh. The waffle is good. It's not overly sweet. Even the whipped cream is not overly sweet, which is really good. It's a nice, firm, chewy waffle. It's not a crisp, crunchy waffle. I'm trying to get another bite. It's hard out here in the streets, y'all. Let's try this again just to make sure, because I don't wanna steer you wrong. So let me make sure it's really good. It's really good. So this is our food truck tour visit some of these food trucks if you're in Baltimore. The next time you come in Baltimore, don't miss it. They are good. They're worth the drive. I can't stop eating this waffle. I'm supposed to be closing this video, but instead I shoved food in my mouth. We're going to have a lot more of these where to eat in Baltimore videos, but that is the end for today. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.